Have you ever wondered how much CBD oil you should take? As with many natural remedies, the answer isn't so straightforward. It's not one size fits all. It's a common question, and the journey to finding the right dosage can be a process. So, buckle up as we navigate through this together. But before we dive into this, I would like to thank you for watching this video by giving you a free discount code for my favorite CBD brand. You can find it in the description of this video. Now let's start with this CBD oil dosage guide. First, understand this. Everyone's body is unique. The amount of CBD oil that works for one might not work for another. Factors like body weight, metabolism, and individual biochemistry all play a part in how much CBD oil you should take. Second, it's all about starting low and going slow. If you're new to CBD oil, starting with a low dosage and gradually increasing it over time is a prudent approach. Begin with a small dose, perhaps 5 to 10 milligrams per day. Monitor how your body reacts and, if necessary, increase the dosage slowly over several weeks. This allows your body to adjust and helps you find the optimal level that works for you. Third, keep track of your symptoms. If you're using CBD oil for specific health issues, make a note of your symptoms before starting and track any changes. This can be a helpful way to determine if the dosage is working for you. Fourth, consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance based on your medical history and current medications. Remember, while CBD oil is generally safe, it can interact with some medications and isn't suitable for everyone. In summary, finding the right CBD oil dosage involves understanding your body, starting with a low dose and gradually increasing, monitoring your symptoms, and seeking professional advice. It's a process, but with patience and careful observation, you can find the dosage that works best for you. So tread lightly, be patient, and listen to your body. It's not about quick fixes, but about finding the balance that works for your unique self.